Hey everybody, it's Bubs, also known as Bubsbee, and I'm back with a brand new video, and I have an install today actually. Yes, a wig install from Neatandsleek. They wanted to send me out a braided wig. Can we get into that concept? Because I can't. I want to thank them today for sponsoring this video, and yeah, we're gonna just hop right into it. So I just want to say this first, that I don't know what I'm doing. This is actually my first ever wig install. I've used clip-ins before. I've used like synthetic hair extensions like braids and adding weave to my hair, but actually putting on a wig, that is something new. So I thought this was the perfect way to showcase this wig, but also try something different on my end because I am trying to switch up the looks for you guys. So as you guys can see, the lace is amazing. It is blending into my skin really well. I really like that. This is a medium-sized cap. It has 3 combs. It also has an elastic band. The knots have been bleached, and it does come with baby hair. So I'm just going to cut off the lace first in the back, and then I'm going to put the wig on just to see how it looks and see where I need to go from here. Oh man, I don't know. Okay, we're gonna keep going because I don't know how this is gonna look. I am liking the blend though. It just looks so realistic. I just don't know how they do it. So I'm going to try to adjust the wig and just see what I'm working with. Okay, I've watched a lot of videos on what I need to do and what I should do, but this is definitely trial and error. You gotta get your hands dirty. So we're gonna get right into it. So I first decided to cut the lace in the front while it was on my head. That is a no-no for me, okay? It was a little too hard for me to cut the lace while it was on my head. I thought I was gonna cut my edges off. I thought I was gonna cut the hair on the wig. So I definitely would recommend to just cut the lace off when the wig is not on. I'm gonna quickly go over the specs of this wig. This is the Renee box braided wig. The density is full. It does have baby hair, which is sparse. Like I said earlier, the wig cap is medium. The color I have is 1B, and it is a full lace wig. The hairline is pre-plucked. The knots are bleached, and the braid strands are actually 100% handmade. So after cutting off the rest of that lace, you see I have my wig cap on. I got these from Amazon. I'm going to try to link everything that I've used down below for your reference. So I'm going to just slap the wig on. I really like that it has an elastic band. It's very secure with the elastic band. I have the band on the last hook, and it actually was a little too tight still. I have a big head. And my hair is pretty thick, so maybe I need to work on braiding my hair down super flat. I only did flat twists, so I may try something different next time. So once I have the wig adjusted, I am going to take out the baby hair, and I will deal with the baby hair later off camera because I'm not good at baby hair, and synthetic baby hair it's a whole different ball game. So once I do master doing my baby hairs, I will let you guys know, but for now we're gonna leave that to the pros. So now I'm going to lay the lace down, and I'm going to use this bedhead spray. I saw a couple ladies use this, so I'm just trying it out. I don't know. Okay, I'm going to spray a couple layers around the perimeter to ensure that the lace is staying down. So after applying it, this process is so messy, guys. An issue came up with the wig. It kind of hanged a little too much around the ears for me, so I kind of cut off a braid around where my sideburns are, because my sideburns are pretty long, and it was kind of sitting on my sideburns, which looked weird to me. So yeah, I just decided to cut it off, and I'm just using the spread to hold down this lace. And no, I didn't use a blow dryer to hurry up the process. I didn't want my kids to wake up, to be honest. Okay, I couldn't but I would have used it. So I was just waiting till the adhesive got really sticky and pressed down with a comb. So I did cut off the other side as well, okay? Because like I said, it was just coming down a little too far. And I did notice, because I have sideburns as well as my edges, I have like a prominent McDonald's sign around my edges. My edges tend to come out a little further than where I would actually place the wig. So if I actually pulled the wig down, it would be to my eyebrows, which that's a no-no. We don't want to do that. So you'll see later on that it actually blended really well for the wig. So I did put a scarf down, did my edges. Like I said, I didn't show you guys because I'm not a pro, okay? And they were really sticking to my head. I left the scarf on up for about an hour or so, and yeah, it actually looked really good. Trust me, okay? Even my husband said it looked good. It really actually looked like it was my hair. It really looked like it was coming from my scalp. That's crazy. So I did get a little overzealous with the hairspray, so I did have to take a baby wipe to wipe the perimeter and wipe any of that stickiness away, because it was causing a film. Once I did that, I added a little more foundation just because I wiped most of my foundation away. But trust me, you do not have to apply this to the lace at all, because the knots are bleached and everything. It just looks super realistic. So this was so simple. This was such a easy install. You can see the braids go all the way down my back, like it is basically at my waist. So these are super long. I'm only 5'5", so keep that in mind. But I'm telling you, this wig looks so realistic. I'm amazed, and I'm a believer, guys. Okay, you're gonna be seeing more wigs on my channel. I really enjoyed playing around with this, and I can't wait to try more wigs, different styles, and see what I can do. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, Neatandsleek, for sponsoring this video. Let me know what you guys want to see from me. Let me know if you like this type of content. Let's chat in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one.